Alright, we're gonna do a cold start on my Kubota. It's already preheating. The John Deere and the zero turn. We'll see how good stuff starts. It's probably, I don't know. It's like 50 in here, 55, something like that. So, for this thing to warm up. Yeah, it's already glowing. You wanna, the key trick is with these old diesels, even these little 3-cylinder or 2-cylinders, you wanna let them glow a little bit longer. So, I think this thing has like 1,000, I don't even know how many cranking amps this battery is. That's all she has right there. It don't like to idle well, I don't understand why. See if the John Deere starts, I guess. This thing's a little finicky with the choke. A little finicky with the choke. That thing like that. You want the choke has to stay on. See if this thing starts. Alright, that's it for a cold start.